Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to play with makeup a little bit and put some makeup on my face so I can feel a bit better about myself. And yeah, I'm thinking of creating just like a simple everyday makeup look, and if you want to see the look I'm going to create, please go ahead and keep on watching. So I am going to start with my skin today, and I am going to prime my skin. I already applied my moisturizers, serums, all the shebang I did this morning. And to prime my skin, I am going to use this First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer, and I am going to apply that all over my face. For foundation, I'm going to go with an old favorite of mine. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. Mine is in the shade Soft Beige, Soft Beige. And I am going to apply that. This might be a bit dark, but we'll work that out. And I am going to blend that with my beauty sponge. And I do want to take my time with the foundation because I do want my skin to look as good as possible. So this is just one layer. It did cover a bit, but it's not like very full coverage. It's just a light medium coverage, but I do think it's buildable, so I'm going to add a tiny bit more and blend it again with my beauty sponge. So I still have some redness like around my nose for some reason, and the foundation, it's not covering this up. So I will try to cover that up with my concealer. For concealer, I have this Revolution Pro Full Cover Camouflage Concealer, and mine is in the shade C1. And I am going to apply a tiny bit on the back of my hand. Warm it up a tiny bit and try it. Wow, that is so light. And then blend it out with my beauty blender. This is a very, very thick concealer. And for some reason I find it a bit hard to blend because it's so thick. And I am hoping it's not going to crease too much. Before I set my face with powder, I want to do my brows, and for brows I have this Revolution Pro Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. It looks like this. It's my first time using it, so let's pray for the best. And I am going to take an angled brush, dip my brush into it, and fill in my brows. So I filled in my brows with the brow pomade, and now I'm going to apply some brow gel, and I'm going to use this one from Revolution as well, the Volume and Sculpt Brow Gel in Ash Brown. And I'm going to comb the hairs of my brows. This is very similar with the Benefit Give Me Brow, like it has the same tiny little brush, and it's way cheaper if you want to try it. Now my brows are not even for some reason today, so I am going to take some concealer, and I'm not taking the Revolution concealer because it's so thick, and I'm going to take this Catrice liquid camouflage concealer and clean up my brows a tiny bit so they can look a bit better. Next, I'm going to set my face with some translucent powder, and for that I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent loose powder, and I am going to set my face with that, and I am going to use again my beauty sponge, just dip it in and set on my under eyes. And my eyelids. Before I apply the bronzer and the rest of my face products, I want to spray my face with this Catrice Prime and Fine anti-shine fixing spray, and then I will apply the rest of the products. For bronzer, I am going to use this new Catrice Contouring Bronzing Powder in Sun Glow. This is a limited edition, and I forgot to open it. This is how it looks like. It does have some sheen to it, but it's not that glittery. So this is the shade. And I'm going to apply that with a large fan brush and contour / bronze my face. Okay, so this is a really pretty contouring and bronzing shade. I really like it. I think it was only €5, I think around this price, but yeah, really good. For highlights, I am going to use this Estate Dew Me highlight in the shade Lit. This is how it looks. I will swatch it for you guys. So this is the shade in here. It's really that with this brush and highlight my skin. Oh yeah. And now my skin is all bronzy and glowy, and I am not sure if I want to do blush today because I do quite like this bronzy skin, glowy skin look. So I do think I am going to skip blush. And now let's move on to the eyes. I do want to set my eyes with a bit more powder because that Revolution concealer is really thick, and I'm afraid it might crease really bad if I don't set it. So I'm going again with the same Laura Mercier translucent powder. And for my eyes today I want to keep it really simple, and I am just going to do a black winged liner. The only thing I will do, I do want to add some depth in my eyes, and I am going to take the same bronzer I used for my face, and with a fluffy brush I am going to blend that slightly in my crease. Just so we can give a tiny bit more depth to the eyes. And now I am going to use a new liquid liner. This is the Catrice Cosmetics Calligraph Ultra Slim Eyeliner Pen. It's this one in here. It is a felt tip, but it's really long. So now, wish me luck doing my eyeliner, and let's pray together that it's even on both of my eyes. So it does dry down quite a bit, I don't know why. You have to really shake it and work it on your hand before you apply it on your eyes. But okay. That was a hard one. So it does look a tiny bit patchy, to be honest. So I am trying to go on top of it with my Ico Skinny Liquid eyeliner and see if I can get a tiny bit more pigment. So they do seem pretty even to me, well, as much as I could do. But yeah, this Catrice one, it's not that black as I would hoped. For like on my hand it looks much more black than it looks on my eyes. I had to top it off with this Ico Skinny Liquid eyeliner, which is my favorite. So this is all I'm going to do to my eyes, except for lashes and mascara, and I will do that off camera, and then I will come back to finish the makeup look with the lips. So I have applied my lashes and mascara, and now I do want to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, and I am going to use the highlight I used on my face. And because my eyes are pretty simple and there's not much going on in there, I do want to do a red lip. And for lip liner today, I'm going to use the Sleek Makeup Locked Up Super Precise Lip Liner in Hot Damp. And I am going to swatch this for you. So this is the swatch. So I'm going to line my lips with this, and then we'll move on to lipstick. And for lipstick today, I'm going to use this Avon lipstick in Power Trip. And this is the shade in here, and I am going to fill in my lips. So this is the makeup look I created. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And please press that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!